don't know if you know anything about these units, or if you guys install them. I never installed anything like this.
Yeah, so I am familiar with this device. What is the question?
So when it came in, the plunger was on the right side, and in the instructions it said the plunger should be on the hinge side of the door, right? I'm trying to reverse it to do reverse hand like the instructions say, but I'm not really sure how to do that because like the screw hole does not line up to put the I guess here, let me see what the instructions refer to as. The instructions say, yeah, is wouldn't let me put the plunger assembly back into the casing, like the surface mounted like casing for the door, like because there's no screw hole in the reverse hand option. If that makes sense.
Are you installing this on the push side or the pull side?
Push side. It's a left-hand door.
Okay. Okay, so it's a left-hand door, and you're installing it on the push side. So when you hold the device up in front of you, is the bolt on the left side or the right side?
On the right side.
Okay, so you've got to reverse the hand of that.
Yeah. I slid it out of the housing plate, but when I reversed it, there was no screw hole on the opposite side of the the plastic piece to screw it into the actual the faceplate, so it doesn't move. And I'm not really sure how to assemble it in the reverse hand. I could send pictures if it makes that easier for you to get a understanding of what I'm talking about. I'm not really explaining it very well.
Well, yeah, I would love to see photographs. At the end of the day, I know what a 412 looks like.
Well, I think I'm just wrong. That's what I'm saying. I'm not really explaining it. Hold on. Let me go inside real quick.
So have you cut this item to length at this point?
No, so I just got it out. One second. I just got the unit here. To make it much easier from this dragon. Okay, here we go. I got it now. So I have the faceplate and the actual actuation plunger and the spring and stuff separated. So when I go to reverse it and slide it into the housing, the plastic piece that screws in normally isn't it isn't there to screw in. I'm not sure why though. 1 second. Yeah, so hold on. A video I can look at because the instructions
yeah, not that I know of or specifically on reversing this. I don't know if I have reversed this or not.
Yeah, so whenever you reverse it, so the way it came is, it slides into the body. It just comes as installed if the plunger on the right side of the unit when you're facing it installed correctly. Yeah. And when I took it out to flip it in the reverse option, the screw hole is not there to screw it back in the reverse orientation.
So on the back of the unit, there's a screw that holds the entire removable horizontal assembly in place, the anchoring screw.
Yes, and now when I remove that and I flip it in the reverse position, there's not a screw hole in the reverse position to screw into there, if that makes sense.
In the housing or in the drop bar assembly itself?
The drop bar assembly itself, the plastic
Okay.
piece, like that has a screw hole, it's not available in the reverse position. I mean, I guess I could drill a hole through there and try that.
Yeah, that's obviously the first thing, is to just, if they didn't drill a hole through it in order for it to be, to accommodate that screw when you flip it over, yes, you're just going to need to accommodate, you know, putting that screw into there is the bottom line. So remove the small anchoring screw in the back of the unit, slide out the drop bar and the plunger assembly together, replace the assemblies in the opposite end, line up the hole in the end anchor with the pre-drilled hole in the case. So you're saying that they just didn't pre-drill the hole in the case?
I guess so.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Right. Yeah, so that's a bit of a drag.
I'm pretty sure it's on it. Okay. And for installing it, the plunger has to be on the hinge side, and I think I got it now. Yeah, I think I got everything. I think that's all my questions. I think I understand how to get this installed here.
So it's just a matter of, hey, drill a hole.
Yeah, the reversing. I just don't want to like permanently damage the product before like asking, you know, because like I don't really do much construction. I just wanted to make sure, verify.
Yeah. That would be how I would proceed. Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much.